Voicing. All sounds can be grouped into voiced or voiceless or unvoiced. Voicing is concerned with the vibration of the vocal folds. To tell if a sound is voiced or voiceless, touch your throat gently. When you say a voiced sound, you can feel a vibration or buzzing in your throat. For example, when we say z, there is a vibration, but when we say s, there is no vibration. All vowels are voiced sounds. Sonorants are also voiced. Sonorants are nasals, and liquids, la and ra, and semivowels, w and y. Some obstruents are also voiced, which are b, d, g, v, th, z, j, and j. The rest of the obstruents are voiceless. Pa, ta, ka, fa, tha, sa, sha, cha, and ha. In fact, almost all obstruents have a pair of sounds that have an identical place and manner of articulation but differ in voicing. These are the pairs that differ only in voicing. B and p, d and t, g and k, v and f, z and th, z and s, ja and sha, ja, and cha. Each pair sound is produced exactly the same way except for voicing. The voiceless sound, ha, has no voiced counterpart.